So when I ask the question, how can we disciple a post-Christian generation? Maybe an old method that was developed by missionaries to disciple illiterate cultures actually holds the key to that. So let me tell you a little bit about what Bible storying is. Bible storying is not something that I created. It has been around for a while. It was actually first kind of brought into recognition by one of the Southern Baptist evangelical organizations as a tool or a method for sharing the scriptures in cultures that are either illiterate or just didn't have any access to the Bible, right? So how do we evangelize, how do we disciple if you don't have a copy of this in front of you or you can't read it? That's how this tool was made. Missionaries often use Bible storying among unreached people groups, and if the trend that James Emery White identified is true, then our students fit into that. The International Mission Board describes ideal candidates for Bible storying when they're talking about like the ideal places to use Bible storying. They said, it is for those who do not grow up in a culture that has been shaped in any way by the Bible. Sounds familiar, right? So it's a simple method that draws upon individual narratives in the Bible to communicate the meta-narrative of Scripture. So with illiterate cultures, it's a way of reading through the Scriptures by telling them the stories to lay the path. And then for those who don't understand or maybe have not been shaped or formed by the Bible, it is a way of helping them take in the larger truths of the Scriptures.